In this video, we'll explore the best air fresheners on the market, from long-lasting sprays to natural odor eliminator. Find out which options are perfect for keeping your home smelling fresh and clean all day long. Let's start off with the top pick for home air care, the GLADE Automatic Spray Refill and Holder Kit in Clean Linen. This kit takes everything people love about classic GLADE scents and adds automatic timed burst for hands-free freshness. It runs on batteries, so you can set it anywhere – bathroom, bedroom, you name it. With 3 timing settings, it basically takes care of your air without you lifting a finger. The Clean Linen scent blends crisp air, fresh laundry, and a hint of lily of the valley. Subtle but effective. Plus, the refills are crafted by master perfumers and infused with essential oils, so it smells like more than just a cover-up. You can usually snag the 2-count kit with holder for around $25, and with over 17,000 reviews backing it, it's earned its spot as an Amazon's choice. Moving into the natural spray category, we tested the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Room and Air Freshener in Geranium. We used it in everything from small bathrooms to open living room. The spray works instantly and delivers a fresh floral scent without any chemical sharpness. More importantly, it stays true to its essential oil base without feeling heavy or artificial. The 8-ounce non-aerosol bottle gives you controlled bursts, and even after daily use, the scent stayed clean and uplifting. It's powered purely by a manual spray. No propellants, no weird additives, just plant-derived ingredients doing their job. At around $6 to $8, this spray punches above its weight for eco-conscious homes. It's cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny certified, and free from parabens and phthalates. If you're looking for a quick, natural way to freshen up your space with zero fuss, grab a bottle of this and give your room that garden-fresh vibe. The RENUZIT Adjustables Air Freshener and After the Rain is one of the simplest odor fighters you can keep around. It's a gel-based freshener housed in a twist-to-adjust cone, no plugs, sprays, or batteries needed. This 7-ounce unit gives off a clean, floral citrus scent that's meant to mimic the air right after a rainstorm. While it's not overpowering, it does a solid job in smaller spaces like bathrooms or laundry rooms. RENUZIT says it lasts up to 30 days, though that depends on how far you open it and the airflow in the room. Some folks mention it gets a little melty in warm spots, but that's par for the course with gel-style freshener. At around $3, it's a low-risk, low-maintenance way to keep a room smelling decent. There are plenty of scent options too, so if After the Rain isn't your thing, there's probably one that is. When it comes to low-maintenance odor control, the Fresh Wave Odor Removing Gel is the real deal. Sure, it's just a jar of gel, but the plant-based formula packed with lime, pine, and clove oils goes to work fast. Each 15-ounce container lasts between 30 to 60 days depending on airflow, and you don't need plugs, batteries, or sprays. Just pop the lid and set it on a shelf. We especially like that it actually eliminates odors instead of covering them up. From kitchen funk to pet smells, it handles it all without the use of synthetic perfumes or harsh chemical. It's also EPA Safer Choice certified, which is a big plus for households with kids or pets. You can grab the 2-pack for around $25, and if you're dealing with chronic odors in the home, it's a simple, scent-free way to stay ahead of the game. POO-POURRI'S Before You Go Toilet Spray, Trap-a-Crap, is a game-changer when it comes to bathroom odor control. With a blend of cedarwood and citrus, it traps odors under the water's surface before they even have a chance to escape. Simply shake the bottle and spray 3 to 5 times into the toilet bowl before use, and you're all set. The 2-fluid-ounce bottle offers around 100 uses, making it both compact and long-lasting. It's perfect for home, office, or travel, and the cruelty-free essential oils-based formula keeps things natural and safe. While it's incredibly effective at neutralizing unwanted smells, the fragrance it leaves behind is fresh, not overpowering. If you're looking for an easy and discreet way to keep the bathroom smelling fresh, this little spray is a must-have. You can grab it for about $10, and trust us, it's well worth it for that added peace of mind.